Today we are going to talk about adding integers using integer chips. So I've got these chips here. They're yellow on one side, red on the other. If you don't have chips, you could use yellow and red markers. Otherwise, you could use a plus and minus sign. I'm going to say that my yellow side are positives and my red side are negatives. So if I have the expression 4 plus 3, I know that both of these numbers, both of these values are positive because I don't see a negative sign. So to model that, I would show 4 chips, and then I would show 3 chips. 4 plus 3 equals positive 7. I can count my chips. I see they are all positive. Now, if I go down here, I've got negative 3 plus negative 6. Now I have to use the red side. This number is negative, so I'm going to go ahead and get out 3 negatives, and then I'm going to get out 6 negatives. 6 negatives. Okay, so if I have negative 3 plus negative 6, I can count the total of negatives I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 negatives means negative 3 plus negative 6 is negative 9. All right, we've got one more on this page here. Negative 4 plus negative 2. Again, we've got negative and negative, so I'm going to stick with that red side. Again, I've got negative 4 plus negative 2. I combine those, and I'm left with negative 6. 6 negatives. Think about it like money, for example. If I have to owe somebody $4 and then I owe someone else $2, okay? So I'm down negative $4 and then I lose another $2. That means I'm out a total of $6. Okay, so here we had same sign. We had positive and positive, negatives and negatives. So now let's go ahead and see what happens when we have different signs. Okay, so we're still going to use that positive as yellow and that red as negative. So this time I have to look and I see, okay, that's negative 4. That means I need 4 reds. Reds are negative. Okay, but I have 3 positives. So I'm going to go ahead and lay out 3 positives. I find it useful to lay them out in this way or line them up if I'm drawing with my markers, because then I can see. If I owe you $1 and you owe me $1, then those kind of just cancel out, right? If I owe you $1, you owe me $1, instead of exchanging that $1, we're just going to call it even. Okay, so when we have 1 negative and 1 positive, they cancel each other out. Cancel each other out. Cancel each other out. So I am left with 1 negative. So therefore, negative 4 plus positive 3 is negative 1. Let's try another one here. We've got negative 3 plus positive 6. So again, I need to take out those 3 negatives. And then my 6 is positive, and I need 6 of them. Again, lining them up for myself. All right. And now again, just like before, 1 positive and 1 negative cancel each other out. Cancel each other out. Cancel each other out. Therefore, I am left with just 1, 2, 3, all positives. Because I'm left with 3 yellows, my answer is positive 3. For example, if I owe you $3 and you owe me $6, I give you $3, you give me $6 back, I will have $3. One more example here. If we've got 4 plus -2, so that's a +4. I take out my 4 yellows for positive. And then I have 2 negatives. Okay, positive, negative cancel, positive and negative cancel. I'm left with 2 positives.